Hi team, welcome to Additional Sheet. In this video we will go through the top 50 HTML multiple choice questions and answers. Let's start our video. First, what is HTML stands for? Choices: A. Hypertext Markup Language. B. Hypertransfer Text Language. C. High-Level Text Management Language. D. Hyperlink and Text Markup Language. The answer is option A. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Who is known as the father of HTML? Options: A. Tim Berners-Lee. B. Bill Gates. C. Mark Zuckerberg. D. Jeff Bezos. The answer is option A. Tim Berners-Lee is known as the father of HTML. Which HTML tag is used for creating an unordered list? Options are as below. The correct answer is option A. The UL tag is used for creating an unordered list. What is the correct HTML for creating a hyperlink? Options: A. URL equals. B. Link equals. C. Ref equals. D. SRC égale. Answer is option C. The ref equals tag is used for creating a hyperlink. Which HTML tag is used for inserting a line break? Options: A. LB. B. Break. C. BR. D. Line. Answer C. BR tag. The BR tag is used for inserting a line break. In HTML, which attribute is used to provide alternative text for images? Options: A. Al. B. Title. C. Description. D. Image text. Correct answer is option A. Alt tag. The alt attribute is used to provide alternative text for images in HTML. What does the HTML tag represent? Options: A. Emphasize text. B. Enclose text. C. End text. D. Enlarge text. The correct answer is option A. Emphasize text. The EM tag represents emphasized text. Which HTML tag is used for creating a table? Options are: A. Table. B. Tab. C. TBL. D. Tier. The correct answer is option A. The table tag is used for creating a table in HTML. 9. What is the purpose of the HTML meta tag? Options are: A. To define a paragraph. B. To include external scripts. C. To specify metadata about the document. D. To create a table. The correct answer is option C. The meta tag is used to specify metadata about the HTML document. Q10. In HTML, which tag is used for creating a form? Options are: A. Input. B. Form. C. Submit. D. Button. The correct answer is option B. The form tag is used for creating a form in HTML. Q11. Which HTML tag is used to define an ordered list? Options are: A. OL. B. UL. C. LE. D. Order. The correct answer is option A. The OL tag is used to define an ordered list. Q12. What does the HTML attribute target equals underscore blank do? Options are: A. Opens the link in a new tab. B. Sets the link as the homepage. C. Disables the link. D. Opens the link in the same tab. The correct answer is option A. The target equals underscore blank attribute opens the link in a new tab or window. Q13. Which HTML tag is used for creating a horizontal rule? Options are: A. Line. B. HR. C. Rule. D. Horizontal. The correct answer is option B. The HR tag is used for creating a horizontal rule, line. Q14. What is the purpose of the HTML block quote tag? Options are: A. Defines a block of code. B. Specifies a block level element. C. Indicates a long quotation. D. Represents a bold text block. The correct answer is option C. The block quote tag is used to indicate a long quotation in HTML. Q15. Which HTML tag is used to define a hyperlink within the same page? Options are: A. Link. B. ahref equals hashtag section 1. C. Ref. And D. A src equals section 1. The correct answer is option B. The aref equals hashtag section 1 tag is used to create a hyperlink within the same page. Q16. What does the HTML attribute callspan represent in a table? Options are: A. Adds color to the table cells. B. Sets the column width. C. Merges table cells horizontally. D. Specifies the column number. The correct answer is option C. The callspan attribute in a table is used to merge cells horizontally. Q17. Which HTML tag is used for creating a checkbox in a form? Options are: A. Check. B. Input type equals checkbox. C. Box. D. Form type equals checkbox. Correct answer is option B. The input type equals checkbox tag is used for creating a checkbox in a form. Q18. What is the purpose of the HTML fig caption element? Options are: A. Defines the figure caption. B. Represents a code snippet. C. Specifies a list item. D. Indicates a figure description. The correct answer is option A. The fig caption element is used to define the caption for a figure element. Q19. Which HTML tag is used to embed audio content? Options are: A. Sound. B. Audio. C. Music. D. Play. The correct answer is option B. The audio tag is used to embed audio content in HTML. Q20. In HTML, what does the acronym URL stand for? Options are: A. Uniform Resource Locator. B. Universal Reference Language. C. Unified Resource Link. D. Unique Reference Locator. The correct answer is option A. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator in HTML. Q21. Which HTML tag is used to create an image map? Options are: A. IMG. B. Map. C. Area. D. Image. The correct answer is option B. The map tag is used to create an image map, and area defines the clickable areas within the image map. Q22. What does the HTML attribute callspan represent in a table? Options are: A. Adds color to the table cells. B. Sets the column width. C. Merges table cells horizontally. D. Specifies the column number. The correct answer is option C. The callspan attribute in a table is used to merge cells horizontally. Q23. Which HTML tag is used to emphasize text without implying any importance? Options are: em tag, B. tag, C. Strong tag, D. Span tag. The correct answer is option B. The I tag is used to emphasize text without implying any importance. Q24. In HTML, what is the purpose of the alt attribute in the img tag? Options are: A. Specifies the image source. B. Adds alternative text for the image. C. Defines the image width. D. Sets the image alignment. The correct answer is option B. The alt attribute provides alternative text for images, which is displayed if the image cannot be loaded. Q25. Which HTML tag is used to create a hyperlink with a mailto address? Options are: A. Mail, B. Mailto, C. A mailto equals, and D. href. The correct answer is option D. The href equals tag is used to create a hyperlink with a mailto address. Q26. What is the purpose of the HTML field set element? Options are: A. Defines a field in a database. B. Groups related form elements together. C. Specifies a section of text. D. Creates a border around an image. The correct answer is option B. The field set element is used to group related form elements together and provide a border around them. Q27. Which HTML tag is used to define the document's body in an HTML document? Options are: A. Head, B. Body, C. Main, D. HTML. The correct answer is option B. The body tag is used to define the document's body, where the main content of the HTML document is placed. Q28. In HTML, what is the purpose of the placeholder attribute in an input field? Options are: A. Sets the default value of the input field. B. Defines the maximum length of the input. C. Specifies the input type. D. Determines the input field's visibility. The correct answer is option A. The placeholder attribute sets the default value of the input field. Q29. Which HTML tag is used to define a subscript text? Options are: A. Sub, B. Sub, C. Subtext, D. Small. The correct answer is option A. The sub tag is used to define subscript text in HTML. Q30. What is the purpose of the HTML ABBR tag? Options are: A. Defines an abbreviation or acronym. B. Represents a block of code. C. Specifies a paragraph. D. Creates an ordered list. The correct answer is option A. The ABBR tag is used to define an abbreviation or acronym in HTML. Q31. In HTML, what is the purpose of the now wrap attribute in a table cell? Options are: A. Prevents text wrapping within the cell. B. Specifies the width of the cell. C. Defines a new row within the cell. D. Sets the background color of the cell. The correct answer is option A. The no-wrap attribute prevents text from wrapping within a table cell. Q32. Which HTML tag is used to create an unordered list item? Options are A. OL, B. UL, G. LE, D. List. The correct answer is option C. The LI tag is used to create an individual item within an unordered or ordered list. Q33. What does the HTML acronym CSS stand for? Options are A. Code style sheet, B. Cascading style sheet, C. Centralized style syntax, D. Computer style system. The correct answer is option B. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet in HTML. Q34. Which HTML attribute is used to specify the language of the script? Options are A. Language, B. Script language, C. Lang, and D. Type. The correct answer is option D. The type attribute in the script tag is used to specify the language of the script. Q35. What is the purpose of the HTML cite tag? Options are A. Defines a citation or reference, B. Represents code text, C. Creates a division or section, D. Indica boldtext. The correct answer is option A. The cite tag is used to define a citation or reference to the title of a creative work in HTML. Q36. Which HTML tag is used for creating a clickable button in a form? Options are A. Button, B. Clickable, C. Submit, D. Input type equals button. The correct answer is option A. The button tag is used to create a clickable button in an HTML form. Q37. In HTML, which attribute is used to provide an advisory text for an input field? Options are A. Tooltip, B. Advice, C. Info, D. Title. The correct answer is option D. The title attribute is used to provide advisory text for an input field in HTML. Q38. Which HTML tag is used for creating a definition list? Options are A. DL, B. List, C. DT, D. Def list. The correct answer is option A. The DL tag is used to create a definition list in HTML. Q39. What is the purpose of the HTML mark tag? Options are A. Indicates emphasized text, B. Represents highlighted or marked text, C. Defines a list item, D. Specifies a navigation link. The correct answer is option B. The mark tag is used to represent highlighted or marked text in HTML. Q40. Which HTML tag is used for creating a line break? Options are A. Break, B. LB, C. New line, D. Beer. The correct answer is option D. The BR tag is used for creating a line break in HTML. Q41. Which HTML tag is used for creating an ordered list item? Options are A. OL, B. UL, G. Li, D. List. The correct answer is option C. The LI tag is used to create an individual item within an ordered or unordered list. Q42. What does the HTML acronym URL stand for? Options are A. Universal Resource Locator, B. Uniform Resource Locator, C. Unified Resource Locator. D. Unique Resource Locator. The correct answer is option B. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator in HTML. Q43. In HTML, what is the purpose of the autocomplete attribute in an input field? Options are: A. Enables autocompletion for the input field. B. Specifies the input type. C. Defines the maximum length of the input. D. Sets the default value of the input field. The correct answer is option A. The autocomplete attribute enables or disables autocompletion for the input field. Q44. Which HTML tag is used to create a table heading? Options are: A. TD. B. TH. C. TR. D. THead. The correct answer is option B. The TH tag is used to create a table heading in HTML. Q45. What is the purpose of the HTML fig caption element? Options are: A. Defines a figure in a document. B. Specifies a block of code. C. Represents a caption for a figure element. D. Creates an ordered list. The correct answer is option C. The fig caption element is used to represent a caption for a figure element in HTML. Q46. Which HTML tag is used to embed an audio file in a web page? Options are: A. Audio. B. Sound. C. Music. D. Media. The correct answer is option A. The audio tag is used to embed audio files in a web page in HTML5. Q47. In HTML, what is the purpose of the required attribute in an input field? Options are: A. Specifies the input type. B. Sets the default value of the input field. C. Indicates that the input must be filled out before submitting the form. D. Defines the maximum length of the input. The correct answer is option C. The required attribute in an input field is used to indicate that the input must be filled out before submitting the form. Q48. Which HTML attribute is used to define the source URL of an embedded content, such as an iframe or embed? Options are: A. src. B. Link. C. URL. And D. Source. The correct answer is option A. The src attribute is used to define the source URL of embedded content. Q49. What is the purpose of the HTML footer element? Options are: A. Defines a footer for a table. B. Represents a footer for a page or section. C. Specifies a footer for a form. D. Sets the footer for a list. The correct answer is option B. The footer element is used to represent a footer for a page or a section in HTML. Q50. Which of the following is the correct way to use the strong tag in HTML? Options are as below. The correct answer is option D. Open strong tag, text, close strong tag. Thank you so much. We try our best to provide you the good content. Please subscribe and visit our additionalsheet.com website.